Hi friends, welcome to my channel. Happy Diwali to everyone. In this video, I'm going to share some important checklist to buy a correct flat at right location. Please note that I've created this content based on my own research and knowledge. Before we get into this video, I'm so happy for your overwhelmed response for my last video about land prices across Hyderabad. Thank you so much. I request everyone, please watch this video till the end and do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. It is good to do some pre-work before searching for a home. First one is finalize the location considering your office, schools and hospitals. Check your loan eligibility with the bank. Then finalize your budget including loan. Consult the Pandit and decide which flat facing is best suits for you. Decide how many number of bedrooms are required along with the size, which floor you want to stay, number of car parkings are required, and approximate time for occupation of the flat. Next one is project checklist. First thing is check builder profile. Please talk to already completed project residents to know about quality of the construction and on-time delivery of the project. Verify project HMDA, GHMC and RERA approvals. I have provided the steps to verify these approvals in this video. Find out total how many acres of the project, how much is the construction area and how much is the open area for landscaping and parks, etc. There are some more things we need to verify like land ownership, no objection certificate from local authority, how many number of floors permission is approved, is construction happening as per the approved plan, flat position, month and year, rent or a penalty if the project is delayed as per RERA, and how much is a undivided share land. So here you will see how to verify GHMC approval. Log into GHMC website, click on online payments, then DPMS, then click on citizen search. It will open up permissions search screen. You can enter temporary file number or permit number and click on search to view the approval document. Here you will see how to verify HMDA approval. Log into HMDA website. Step 1 is click on planning, then click on online DPMS layout, building permissions, land use. Then step 3 is search screen opens. You can enter permit number and click on search to view the approval document. To verify RERA approval, log into RERA website. Click on search registered projects and agents. Then enter project name or RERA approval number which starts with P generally. Click on search. It will show up the project details. Click on view certificate. This is the certificate. Generally builders share it with us. Here you can see project name, RERA approval number, project start date and end date. This end date is very important because if the project goes beyond this end date, then there will be a fine or penalty will be imposed to the builder. If you click on view application, you will see the entire project details. The next one is location checklist. When it comes to the location, check surroundings of the project if there is any burial ground, railway tracks, dump yard, lake, drainage canal and pollution industries. Next one is check road width in front of the apartment and access to reach the apartment. Assess future traffic issues and water access. Find out nearby hospitals, schools, public transport bus stop, metro station and airport road access. Inquire with the local people about the security, water stagnation issues during heavy rains. Assess approximate rental value and resale appreciation. Next one is the flat checklist. When it comes to the flat, first checklist is facing. It could be east, west, south or north as suggested by Vastu Pandit. Look for corner flat if possible. It will give a good ventilation and airflow. Verify ventilation and airflow in each room. Roadside or parkside flat generally get fresh air and good view. Check for Manjira or government water availability. Ask more questions about carpet area, built up area and super built up area. This is very important to understand from the builder so that you will know exactly what is going to be the room sizes. Estimate the room space after woodwork completed. Then check for quality of the construction. Inquire about material brands used for bricks, iron, cement, main door, flooring, sanitary ware, electric works, water pipes and paintings. Check about fire safety because it is very important going when we are going for high rise buildings. Inquire about any unauthorized constructions in penthouse or cellar. Here you will see what is carpet area, what is built up area and super built up area. First let us see carpet area. Carpet area means net usable floor area where one can spread a carpet. It includes all rooms, kitchen, toilets, internal and partition walls. It excludes external walls, service shafts, balcony, utility space, open terrace area, lift, staircase and clubhouse. In the picture you can clearly see the example here. Next one is built up area. Built up area is 10 to 15% more than carpet area. It includes carpet area plus external walls, balconies, utility space and service shafts. It excludes open terrace area, lift and lift lobby, staircase, clubhouse, etc. You can see the picture over here. Next one is super built up area. Super built up area is 20 to 40% more than the carpet area. It includes built up area plus proportionate share of common areas such as lobbies, staircases, lift, clubhouse, air ducts, pipe ducts and other common facilities. It excludes open area such as play areas, gardens, parks, driveways and roof terrace. Next one is amenity checklist. When it comes to amenities, check for number of lifts with capacity, number of car parkings provided for 2 BHK and 3 BHK or 4 BHK, how car parking places will be allotted, power backup, clubhouse size and capacity, number of swimming pools, play area, gym, banquet halls, indoor and outdoor games and any other facilities will be provided. Price checklist. When it comes for pricing, ask about project approved banks for loan. What is the base price? What is the floor rise, facing and corner charges? How much is advance maintenance charges, amenities, corpus fund and infrastructure charges? And you need to check is GST applicable or not and how much is the registration charges. Post property visit, inquire the prices in surrounding projects, check all documents with the help of lawyer. In case of loan, sometimes banks will verify the documents to process the loan. Also, inquire about builder and completed projects customer feedback. How to file a complaint with RERA. In case of any deviation from the plan or problem with quality of materials or any other issues, you can visit RERA office in Masab Tank and file a complaint. Have given the RERA office address here. The conclusion here is verify project approvals including RERA approval, construction quality and carpet area for safety of your money and smiles and happiness in the home. With this, I will end this video. Hope this information will be helpful for you. So please do like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.